look at that fat guy. They built this guy into the car. No way he's getting in and out of there.
We've proven you can. You're not an accessory.
I feel like if we wrecked the car just right, I could fuse myself to the car, become like a Corvette mech thing, like a transformer almost.
You'd be your own superhero. Oh, yeah. The new wheels and tires are in. It's time to install them. We're going to use the stock ones as track wheels. I've got a set of Michelin Pilot Super Sports that are better for the street, have a better wear rating, and still hook up, that we'll use for the for street use, and then the other wheels will be used for the track. So the Cup 2s will stay as track use. So that's the plan. Beau?
Hey, what's up?
Going to the range today in the Z. I am shooting 2011 again. So, what are you shooting?
My 34.
Okay. Yeah, soft close. This is worse than the Uber. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
You gonna make it?
Well, it's tight in here, huh?
That's what she said.
So what boat are we in?
So we're in touring for the suspension, so it's a smoother ride.
Right.
We're in sport for the exhaust, and that's only because I like it loud until we get underway, and then I like it to close the valve so I don't have to hear the drone. Track would leave it open all the time. And then I'm in sport for steering.
It's a lot of boats.
Yeah, you can have them all tied to whatever.
Right.
Oh, and I'm in track for the HUD.
Well, that's quick. I wish you had a front view so that you could see the CRV. The 97 CRV with 18 bumper stickers we just flew up. Well, that kicked you right in the pants. You're through the break-in period though, right?
Oh yeah. I'm not to the track break-in period yet.
What is that?
So you got 1,500 miles before you can take it onto a track. 500 miles is just the break-in period, and then 1,500 miles is the everything seated. You can go beat it on the track. Oh god. See, that's why I put it in touring. Apparently, if you leave it at track with the thin walls of the tires, they're too small. This asshole's gonna go off the road, throw some rocks at me. It'll bend the wheels.
Really?
Because the suspension's so stiff.
Right.
And the sidewalls, it's so thin, they're low profile tires. So if you leave it, you run around in track,
You'll bang the rim.
basically all you have is the wheel that's taking the brunt of the impact. So in Louisiana, I just try in touring mode all the time. Plus, I mean, I don't know, I like the smoother ride.
on that, Greenpeace. I mean, it's just as fuel efficient, if not more, than a 90-ish Bronco.
Right. Or a big RV.
Racing, you got the ceramic coat and stuff.
Yeah, I don't want to test it though. This dude, what the hell?
What?
Dude, that thing was in a full. It's in a full crap. The truck was pointed at us, like as it.
You want to take it down a gravel road?
No, I do not. No.
There's a good one right here.
Yeah? I would
It's right there.
respectfully decline.
It's like a half-mile long. Got some turns in it.
Decline.
You kick up rooster tails and rocks.
Won't pass. Oh, and he's going that way?
You just get up under him, get him loose, put him in the wall. Trickle would have done.
Yes. Rowdy Burns.
Well, you got those special match tires. You just got
staggered. Pass them on the outside. You can't hold. Is it supercharged?
Other than this being your 6th Corvette, what sets this one apart from all the rest?
Oh, geez. Well, I like the interior.
Right.
I really like the interior, like the blue stitching.
Was that something you had done, or
yeah? No, that was an option we ordered.
Okay.
So it was actually a last-minute option. I didn't know you could do it because I thought that if you got the blue stitching, you lost the microfiber wheel, and I wanted the microfiber wheel. But I found it at the last minute, and it was like a $300 option. I'm like, no, put that on there.
So you had someone's, inevitably this car was already done, and someone's Meemaw had to go out there and stitch this into the car.
At the factory.
Yeah.
Yeah, Meemaw did a great job. She stitched the blue. Obviously I like the, horsepower.
Yeah.
I think it's the most refined Fed I've ever, because like this is actually pretty smooth. It's not uncomfortable, and compared to my 2015, the only thing, all right, so they upgraded the magnetic ride control logic and the performance traction mode logic.
Right.
In the 2015 with the same tires, I could not have done that without spinning.
Right.
It would overshoot it. In this mode, it is more like my Camaro in that they've kind of figured out how to modulate wheel spin to keep you from spinning. Because like the 2009 I had, it had 638 horsepower, and if you got on it, especially cold, you'd be looking at the ditch because the traction control just couldn't keep up with it at all. And the 2015 was a little bit like that, but less so. And then the Camaro had no problems. I mean, we got on it, and it was nothing. And then this car, same way. So it puts all that power. Now, because it's modulating it, you're not getting 700 whatever horsepower, but you're still getting. I mean, it ain't slow, And at first I didn't like the big. When I first saw the ZR1 come out, I didn't like the big hood. I didn't like the big wing. I didn't like any of the aero. Like it just didn't do it. But it's growing on me. It looks like a race car.
It does.
It looks like it's like all business. We're going to the track. I keep saying I like the C8 because everybody asks that. But this car, I look at this and, somebody pulls it out of a barn someday and goes, oh, that was CW Lemoine's ZR1,
With the big black wing.
With the big wing, yeah. I mean, it's like a car you keep. It's a barn find eventually.
Right.
When I'm dead, whatever. Or maybe it ends up back in the museum. Wouldn't that be badass?
As an instructor at Top Gun. That's a different movie, sorry.
No, that's the new one. Not that one.
the other Corvettes, not a Corvette.
The electric Corvettes, because that's all it is. It's millennial electric Corvettes.
Elon Musk by Chevrolet.
Yeah, the Tesla, all Tesla vets. But yeah, I mean, I wanted, you know, it's the last manual transmission car, and now my Camaro was.
What do you mean it's the last manual transmission?
They don't make manuals anymore.
Like the next Corvette will not?
The next Corvette's dual clutch transmission, so it's all paddle shift. It's automatic. Well, it's dual clutch, so it's a manual, but it's really paddle shift. And it has an auto mode, so it's really an automatic.
Huh.
So this is the last ZR1 ever to have a manual transmission. And you know, on a track, a manual automatic's faster. I mean, my Camaro on the track was just you know, it was all fast. But you know, I mean, this is way more fun.
Well, yeah.
I mean, I enjoy ripping through the gears. I'm slow as shit, you know, but I still enjoy that more.
Hazard reported ahead.
Oh god,
shit! Danger! Danger! Danger!
And she talks to me. Yeah, I need friends. So a car that'll tell me things. Monitor system. That's because the new wheels. It doesn't like it. I probably have to do it lost all of them.
We don't have any wheels? Are we hovering?
You ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Dan. You ain't got no legs. No, I guess the tire pressure monitoring, it's for whatever reason we've gone whatever speed and I gotta reset them. Yeah, signal 18, you wanna stop?
No.
Do you think I could talk the sheriff into letting me have lights on this vehicle? Like I could have the whole spoiler as its own light bar.
I say, just take the spoiler off and replace it with several stacked light bars.
How many pounds of force? Well, the light bars would be a couple hundred pounds, so that would replace the need for downforce.
Yeah.
Because you'd always have downforce. Okay, I'll buy that.
At least one on top of here.
My weapon could be epilepsy. An epileptic seizure.
Citizen.
You know, like on Independence Day when they tried to talk to the alien.
Yeah.
And it made them actually blow up the city.
Go figure it out. I never got that about. That was like a plot hole in
Jeff Goldblum.
Yeah, but what was the sequence supposed to mean? Like
We come in peace. It obviously meant the wrong thing.
And where do you get that from? That's what asked.
Wasn't there another movie that they actually used that? It worked. Maybe they got it from that movie.
So he saw it on a movie.
Right.
Look at the reflexes.
I don't know if we can make it through this parking lot. Look at that. Fuck
Do you have a high mode?
A sinkhole mode?
So if anybody from Chevrolet's watching, if we could put
They have that on the C8.
a Louisiana mode on these cars.
No, they really did. They put that on the C8. What'd you think of the 2011?
I liked it. It's everything you want a 1911, but it's at a 9mm, which makes it fun.
It's a nail driver, man.
It is.
It makes me a good shooter.
It is. It's the highway to the danger zone.
Okay.
I feel like you're getting better at shifting.
Hey, you know what you should come back for?
What?
When we have to do the brake burnishing procedures.
What is that?
That's where you got to go to 60 and you got to stop to like 10.
No. When is that gonna be?
I don't know. I got to do it at some point.
Like before you hit 1500?
No, before I go to the track.
This is the gravel road. Have you changed your mind?
Still no.
No? Like
Still no.
It's a nice gravel road.
So before this becomes a 7-hour vlog, do you have anything you want to say to the kids at home before we adjourn? Thanks for coming out. Thanks for range therapy.
Thanks for having me.
You like the car?
I do. I really do.
Yeah.
I like blue's my favorite color.
Yeah, mine too. Holy, is that cool?
Oh, Jesus. It's just a simple idea. No, it's been great. It's been fun. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
See everybody down the old dusty trail.
You'll be back.
I will be back.
I'll be back. All right.
I'll be back.
Send it. Did you start it yet?
Yeah, it's on. My car's significantly higher than yours.
That is a good looking car. Yeah, I like the new wheels. I would like them more if the TPS would work. So one of the mods I did that I didn't show was blue.
Is that an L?
No, it's a Corvette cross flag.
Oh, I couldn't say.
And these are, I made these, the tire pressure monitor caps.
Yeah.
They're actually gray. So I swapped them out, the little nut. Now they're black. But anyway. He's trying something new today. Not sure if this is even going to be a vlog, but I'm going to my first car show. I've never been to one for any reason. I don't like them on YouTube, to be honest with you. Like when I watch a car show, I don't really like it when they do car vlogs. I just think, or car show vlogs, because I just think it's boring. But I'm gonna try it today. This may or may not even be a vlog, but I'll bring the camera in if I see anything cool. There's supposed to be a 2020 720S and a bunch of other cool cars, so maybe we'll check them out. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know. It's current situation with the tire pressure monitoring system. It worked for the first like 30 miles and then stopped working. And it gave me the service tire pressure monitoring system and doesn't register anything. So I've read a couple ways to reset it, but I don't know that that's going to work. But I may have to go take it to a place and get the relearn done. So we'll see. But yeah, that's the new wheels and tires, which I mean they have factory GM TPMS, so it shouldn't be a problem. This car is awesome. He's actually got his own blog. I'll have to get the link. Oh, and I missed the ZR1. Well, that was pretty fun. First time doing a car show with the car, or just in general. I've never really been to a car show or Cars and Coffee and stuff. I mean, it's cool, but I'd rather be at a track. talking to people about their cars between sessions than just standing around checking out cool cars. But a lot of cool cars. So if you liked it, let me know in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Excuse me. Oh, no. Oh!
Spent a lot of that.
Usually fine with the doors off. All hot scoop. Don't be a douche. That's rule number 1.
Make them tell you no.